Hi everyone, this is Coach Arjun from Score Campus, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve your questions with regards to direct and inverse proportion. Now these questions usually equate to about 3 to 4 marks in your exams, and there are actually just 5 simple steps for you to be able to solve them. So let's get started and get you the marks, yeah? So I'll be using the same question and the same values for both a direct and inverse proportion, so you can see the clear difference. So here I will have y is directly proportional to x squared, and here I have y is inversely proportional to x squared. Pardon my handwriting because, well, I don't write very well, so yeah. One thing you need to understand is that if y, okay, I will do this is step 1, right? Y is directly proportional to x squared. Here y is inversely proportional, so because it's inversely, you put 1 over x squared. Now that's the major difference. That's the biggest difference between directly and inversely, the fact that there is a 1 over in inversely. Now what you have to understand here is that indirectly proportional, if this increases, this increases. However, inversely, if this increases, this decreases. Okay, so now let's go on to step 2. In step 2, what I do is I introduce a constant. So y equals to kx squared. Y equals to k over x squared. And usually you have to write where k is a constant. Yeah? Step 3, at this point, you should be given some values, right? In the question itself, something will be given to you where it says that when x equals to 5, y equals to, let's put 50. Okay? When x equals to 5, y equals to 50. Let's just use these same values for both sides. So you sub it in. When x equals to 5, x equals to 5, 5, y equals to 50. You sub it in and you get 50 equals to k 5 square. And you do the same thing here. 50 equals to k over 5 square. You get here 50 equals to 25k. K equals to 50 divided by 25, which is 2. Here you get k equals to 50 times 25, which is 5 times 25 is 1250, right? K is 1250. You see the difference in the k values between direct and inverse proportion. They are very, very different, yeah, obviously. Now to equation 4, what you do is you write out the equation. So y equals to 2x squared. Here y, this for the fourth step, I mean, y equals to 1250 over x squared. And now you have your last part, and usually this is again the question: find y when x equals to, let's put 20. Right, find y when x equals to 20. That's usually part of the question. So this is the 5th step. As I promised you, steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last step you find your answer. So when x equals to 20, you have y equals to 2 times 20 square, which is equals to 20 times 20 is 400 times 2 is 800. Y equals to 800 over here. And here, y equals to 1250 over 20 square, which is equals to 1250 divided by 400. You get 3.125. Y equals to 3.125. And you see the clear difference over here, right? This increases, this decreases. So this is the difference between directly and inversely proportional. 5 steps, just 5 steps, and you get your answer. Let me recap. What are the 5 steps? Your first step, you have write this statement. Yeah, y is directly or inversely proportional. Second step, you introduce your constant. Third step, you find what is the constant, right, by inputting in the values that you have in the question. Fourth step, you write your statement, which is including replace the constant with the constant that you just found. And fifth step, you put in the value that you want to find the answer. 5 steps and you get your 3 to 4 marks. Simple enough. I hope you get it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye bye.